Do you want to do this with only just one button? Or this? And this? So if you want to know how to do that using Flydigi, watch this video.
Get ready.
So before we do the key mapping, we just need to change the settings to settings and look for scope peak settings. So make sure that the peak mode is tap and the peak and open scope is disabled. So once you've done that, let's go key map. So open Flydigi app, edit. So let's make a button, so any buttons you want. So let's say B. Double click this, go to macro, edit. So add a button, so this one, make this 0.15, confirm, put this on here, add another, make this 0.15 also, and add another, make this 0, confirm, put this on the crouch. So let's test it. Let's press B. See? So now we need to add buttons. Let's like DJ app again, edit, B, edit, add another button. So make this 0.15, put it on here, add another button, make this 0.15, confirm, put it on here, and add a button for the crouch, make this 0, confirm, put this on here. Save, press B. See, it looks like a snake. See? So once again, let's add a button. Edit. Let's add a button, B7. Make this 0.50. Put it on here. Add another button. 0.15, put it on here, and the crouch 0 here. Save. Let's press the B again. See? So you add how many you like. So if I press the fire button at the same time with the macro of the snake fire, that happens. Let's try it again. Okay, so let's do scope and let's do the snake firing. See, let's try another. So let's try to fire. Another. Okay, so they have a recoil. Let's make key mapping to reduce the recoil. Edit. So right, left stick, double click, climb out. FPS. Auxiliary shoot. Make this setting to your liking. Save. So let's scope. Do the snake firing and let's do the combination of both. See? See? So let's do hip fire. So you can do separate buttons for that snake firing or snake fire, as what I call it. But you can also combine the firing and the snake movement, and so I call it snake fire or snake firing. Our button for that is B. Let's make P for the fire. Let's put it on here. This is the fire button, and let's make another B for our no recoil. B. This will be D for our no recoil. FPS, auxiliary shoot, save. So if I press the letter B for our snake fire, this happens. So let's do scope. See? So if you have many key mappings for the snake fire, I suggest you add termination button. So let's add termination button for the snake fire. My termination button will be the space. Save. So we will do the snake movement like this, and we will cancel it using the jump button. So snake, cancel. See? Snake movement, cancel. See? So if you have a long snake movement key mapping, I suggest that you put cancel button for that. So if you want to make your snake movement much slower or faster, here's what you need to do. Open Flydigi app, edit. So let's make button V, macro, edit, add. My initial setup is the 0.15. If you want to make the snake movement much slower, just add value. And if you want to make the snake movement much faster, just decrease the value. It's really up to you. So let's make it slower, 0.405. And the value for crouch is the same. Add another 0.405. Save. So it will be like this. See? So if you wanted to make it slower, just increase the value. And if you want it to make it much faster, just decrease the value. I'll be making the snake fire my default firing. Here's my left mouse click. See? Let's do it again. Let's do that again. So make sure that you also key map the no recoil for that, and make sure that you also key map the termination button for the snake fire, so you can easily cancel the snake fire movement. And you can have a separate button for the snake fire movement. So you can see I have a normal firing. So this is my separate button for this one. This will be my button for the snake fire movement. Let's press this. See? I have a separate button for the snake fire movement. Or you can also do this. The snake fire movement is this without the firing. See? Let's do it again. So I have a separate button for the snake fire movement. So it's really up to you how you came up the snake fire movement. So that's all for this video, and I hope that you like this video, and if you learned something from this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more key mapping tutorials just like this one, gaming tutorials, do-it-yourself tutorials, reviews, and other content. Again, I hope that you like this video, and see you in the next video.
Get ready.